Today, we're going to share a few awesome life hacks you need to try during the summer season. Are you going for a swim or for a walk? Where to put your money and jewelries? Take it with you! Make a smart, practical holder for your valuables. Take a container with a screw top. Pour in a little water. Add acrylic paint. Mix well. Put on the top and rotate the container to paint the inside. Take off the top. Turn over the container to let the excess paint flow down. Prick the top with a big nail. Thread beads onto a cord. Pass it through the hole in the top. Put it on the other end. Tie a knot. Snip off the excess. Cover the hole with sealant. We've got a beautiful and functional accessory. Put in your valuables and go for a swim wearing the cool necklace. The top sets tight and the sealant prevents water from entering, so your stuff will be kept better than in the safe. Are you afraid you can lose your key? You can't if you get this lovely Minion keychain, even if you drop it in the water. We'll need a wine cork. Paint it white. Gradually turn the cork into a funny minion. Paint the one half yellow. Turn the other into blue pants. Add some details. Paint a white circle for an eye. Add some color. Make the pupil in the center. Paint the goggles with a black belt around the head. Make a big pocket on the pants. Add a smile and hair. The reflection of light will make the eye look alive. Screw a hook on top. Fasten your key. The funny minion swims as well as it's made from cork. So if you drop it in the water, it'll keep your key floating. Do you want to add some romance to a summer night? Light a scented candle and enjoy the nice smell that helps repel mosquitoes. Take a lemon and a lime. Cut them in half and cut out a slice. Squeeze the juice. Take spices, a cinnamon stick, green cardamom, cloves, pimento, and star anise. Put them in a glass jar. Pour in the citrus juice. Add lemon and lime slices. Pour in water to fill about 2/3. Put in a candle in a metal cup. Light the candle and enjoy the scent of spices and citrus fruit. Besides, the smell repels insects, and that's essential when you're outside. The flame is reflected from the jar walls and water, so the liquid-scented candle looks like a cozy nightlight. The next life hacks will help you avoid mosquito bites in an effective and safe way. If you are going to spend your day in a forest or park, it's essential that you wear mosquito repellent. It's better to prevent the insects from biting you than suffer from their bites afterwards. Add a punch of cinnamon powder in a bottle and a bit of vanilla. Pour in the citrus juice left over from where we made the candle. Pour in some water to half fill the bottle. Put on the spray top. Shake well to mix the ingredients. The repellent spray is ready. Apply it to uncovered skin surfaces and don't be afraid of the bites. It's an all-natural solution, skin-friendly, and safe for children. Besides, the scent is gorgeous, but the mosquitoes can't bear it. If you need to get rid of the unpleasant insects in your room, use another non-chemical way to get rid of them. Take a lemon half and its top and a few toothpicks. Cut them in half. Stick them in the lemon. Put on the other part. The lemon is set tight and won't turn over. Besides, it'll stimulate the juice production. Take some cloves, stick them in the lemon, one by one. You want to go heavy on the spice. Cover the whole surface. The strong natural citrus and clove scent will repel mosquitoes and keep your room safe. But be careful to put it away at night, otherwise the citrus smell might keep you awake. Are you going to the beach? Take your phone and book with you. Make a convenient organizer from your towel. Fold up the edge for 2 palm widths. Mark the size, put in your book and your phone. We'll make 2 pockets. Tape the borders. Sew them down. The beach organizer is ready. Adding the pockets is all you need. Your organizer will keep your phone from falling in the sand and your book from opening unexpectedly. Do you like to play balloon tennis? It may be a great outdoor activity in windless weather. Let's make paper plate rackets. Paint them bright. Tape them to get segments. Attach the tape in a double crisscross. Paint it orange. When dry, remove the tape. It doesn't look like a blank paper plate now. Add a handle to finish turning the plate into the racket. You can use hot glue or a stapler. Remember to make another racket. You can play balloon tennis sitting in your deck chair. Are you tired of your old sunglasses? Don't hurry to throw them away. Give your old glasses a second life. Attach pattern tape to the temple. Make a cut at the curve. Press well. We've made a new accessory out of your old sunglasses in a minute. This way of decorating is very convenient. The tape holds tight, but if you want to change it, you can easily remove it. It's better to have a soft drink at hand when it's hot. Let's make a suitable outdoor drink holder to keep your hands free and your beverage cool. We'll need a long metal stick with a screw at the end. You can remove it from an old floor lamp. Take a wide plastic mug. We'll stick it on top. Use the hot glue gun to make a hole in the bottom. Prick it with the hot nozzle. Make a felt pad to cover the fastening. Trace the bottom on the fabric. Cut it out. Hot glue the details. Secure the mug on the metal stand. Screw the nut. Put on the shim. Add the mug on top. Fasten in the reverse order inside. The shim first, then the nut. Apply the hot glue to the bottom. Attach the felt pad. Stick in the sand and put your soft drink inside. You can add some ice in it to keep your beverage cool under the hot sun. The awesome outdoor holder is a must on the patio or on the beach. We hope the practical life hacks will be helpful during your summer holidays. Repel mosquitoes, keep your valuables and keys safe, and give your old sunglasses a second life. Write in your comments what you will use this summer. Hit the like button.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.